No matter how well maintained we keep our homes, the things inside will eventually start to break down. Heaters, air conditioners, washing machines, etc., and even the dwelling itself will need a bit of work every now and again. This is inconvenient, but unavoidable. However, there are steps we can take before, during, and after home repairs to make sure that we not only receive the best deals, but also the best work. Before I even contact the repair company, I do my best to figure out what the specific problem is and start researching the fix for it online. Done correctly, this lets me zero in on the true issue and seek the appropriate agency from the beginning, saving loads of time. While doing that, I also check both the average price and how long the job can be expected to take. Doing this gives the ability to seek out the best deal and better negotiate when I eventually contact the repairman. Once a date for the work has been set, I clean the area being worked on, clearing out any clutter or mess that could get in the way and slow down the work. On the day of the work itself, I stay in the area of the work being done. This allows me to keep tabs on how the project is progressing, ask questions for clarification and learning, and be available in the event of unexpected events. While it's the worker's responsibility to make sure the components are functioning properly, the onus is on the customer to be their best advocate and ensure everything is done to their satisfaction. Once the job is finished and the serviceman has departed, I inspect the work myself before putting everything back in order. For the next few days, I make a point of being aware of the now repaired item, looking for any signs that the old problem has returned or a new one has surfaced. Finding nothing, I relax and move on to the next project, happy and content that this one is done and over with. While the inconvenience was a bit unwelcome, the joy that comes from both a fully functioning item and having another task checked off my list is beyond compare.